Hi, my name is Madeline Haller, and I am a first year here studying natural resources and environmental science and political science. So I live in Winifred Park Residence Hall in a semi-suite. So that basically means that there's going to be 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom that me and my roommates all share. So one of my favorite things about living in a semi-suite is my roommates. So there's 5 of us, and it was pretty much 5 instant best friends when I got here on campus. It was a really great way to kind of acclimate to Purdue and build a community and have friends, have someone to eat lunch with before I really went to my classes and stuff. And it's been a super great way to really feel involved here. Also, I really love living in a semi-suite because it gives us a bathroom that is not communal. So the 5 of us share it. However, I don't have to walk down the hall or worry about anything like that because we have it in our room already. So why don't we go take a look? So when you first walk into our room, you can see our little kitchen area. So we did bring our own microwaves and fridge. However, you can rent them from university residences. We have our food up here and our toiletries, kind of more like cleaning supplies down there. And then over here, we've got a shoe rack that I purchased for the roommates, and then a little cart for toiletries and stuff. We want to keep moving. We have cabinets that some of the other roommates use to store their toiletries in. And then we have 2 sinks with 2 mirrors right outside here. If you want to take a look over here, we've got our bathroom. So this has the toilet and shower in here, and then obviously the 2 sinks outside. We also, since the mirror on the bathroom door, you can use dry erase markers on. We like to have little weekly polls just to ask fun questions throughout the year. It's a great way to keep things fun. So now let's go check out my room. So I share a room with 2 other girls, Nova and Sophia. Nova is an entomology major, and this is her desk. As you can see with her decorations, she's really been able to make the place feel at home and decorate it to her interests, which is really awesome. Her closet is right here, and then Sophia's little corner of the room is over here. So she has her desk and her closet. Sophia is in neurobiology, which is not unlike Nova and I's majors. However, we're all able to talk about the same things and be excited for each other, hype everyone up, stuff like that. So Sophia's bed is here, Nova's bed is there, and over here we kind of have our little communal cart area. So this cart has snacks, plates, stuff like that that we all share. And then we have paint on the bottom, kind of as another storage area for our craft nights that all of us roommates do together. And then on top here, we have a bunch of plants that we've gotten at the Purdue Farmers Market that comes fall semester. So having plants in the room has livened it up and made it a super fun way to kind of take care of something new. This cart I purchased on my own. However, I would say it is an essential addition to the room. It just gives me a little more space to put other tools and stuff like that, just kind of more miscellaneous items. It's also another shelf space that I can put a lamp on and some of my other decorations that I've gotten and made throughout the year. So this area here is my side of the room. We have my bed up here with lots of decorations that I brought from home, photographs of me and my friends, family, stuff like that. And then under my bed is where I keep my desk and dresser. So while every student gets a bed, desk, and dresser in their own room, there are only 2 closets in these rooms. So I had to get crafty. So as you can see here, I kind of put a rod up on my bed that I was able to kind of turn into a makeshift closet of my own so that I could hang up my clothes and still have a dresser. It just gives me more space and really helps me maximize my space, especially since I wouldn't be using right there for anything else, which is pretty awesome. Also, I use the wall space to my maximum potential. I hang up posters, flyers, decorations that I've made in clubs, that my roommates have made me, that I've made for fun, stuff like that. I've really been able to kind of make the most of my space, my time here, and really just hanging out with my roommates who are my best friends has been really awesome. So this is a great common space that we have in Winifred Park Residence Hall. As you can see, there's tons of tables, couches, chairs, places for people to really study, hang out, stuff like that. We've got some people doing some homework over here, and as you can see, there's a TV. Using Boiler TV, which is a free service provided from Purdue, if you're on Purdue Wi-Fi, gives you pretty much unlimited access to most movies that you'd want to watch, TV shows, and sports games, which is awesome. So like during March Madness, everyone on the floor would come and watch in this room on the TV. Super fun. We also have a bunch of RA events in here, so there's been vinyl painting, Lego night, bouquet making, stuff like that hosted by our RA that also really helps bring the community together. Also, just to kind of orient ourselves here, We have the Honors North Building, which is right there, and then Windsor Dining Hall is right there. Wiley Dining Hall is pretty much straight back the other way. But the point is we're super close to a lot of amenities, which is super nice. Also, the co-rec, which is our type of gym, is straight across the street in that direction. So we're super close in a very convenient location, close to food, restaurants, dining halls, stuff like that. So kind of like what I've mentioned throughout this video, my favorite part about living in a semi-suite here in Winifred Park Residence Hall is my roommates. So having pretty much an instant built-in friend group has been amazing, and it's made coming to college a lot better. So one piece of advice that I would give to future residents is to really try and make your room feel like home. Add decorations, befriend your roommates, really make it a safe space for you that you can work, do fun events in, all the things like that. Thank you so much for watching. Boiler up!